I just got the HELOKEEP MEL, and today I'm gonna be unboxing this and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set this thing up. And I'm especially excited because there's a couple colors on this bike that really make it pop and stand out from other brands. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and get started. So this is just a little hack that I do, is just slice it up from the side. You wanna be careful. Usually you're gonna hit styrofoam, but you also wanna make sure that you're not gonna slice into anything on the bike, but this will just make it a lot easier so you don't have to lift the bike out of the box. You can just fold the box down. All right, and there you have it. You got a nice workstation to get set up on. This is what it's gonna look like as soon as you open it up. I'm gonna go ahead, start removing this stuff, and we're gonna see what this looks like. Nice box here. I never miss. Wow, look at that seat. That looks insane. I love that. Wow, there's a compression adjuster? Never seen that on an e-bike like this. That's pretty cool. First thing you're gonna do, put the bars on. That wheel on. It's just a little protector. You just throw this away. These spacers look the same, so I don't think it's gonna matter which way it goes on. Shouldn't matter at all. Just want to get the spacers on the inside. And you also want to go into the brake pad, just like that. That lines up nice and straight, and then you just want to push these. Instruction manual. Wow, that is a beautiful headlight. And I'm pretty sure the horn is actually integrated in this. Toolkit. I always charge the battery as soon as I open it, so this thing's ready to go by the time I build it. Long cable, very nice. Guess this video is kind of turning into an ASMR because I'm not really talking much. Plug that in. Oop. This will be green now. Once I plug it in, it'll be red. It'll turn green when it's charged. Red. Charged up soon enough. I was looking for the 15, that's why I came over here. There we go. Okay. Make sure these wheels are nice and tight. That's good. All right, back over. All right, let's do the pedals. 15s. These will always say red, red. You just go towards the handlebars to tighten them up. This thing is very simple setup. All skill levels can set this bike up. I haven't glanced at the directions really, but that's because I've built a lot of these. I like this basket in here actually, that's pretty nice. It's nice like touring commuter. Definitely put a lot of items in here. This seat is super nice. Let's sit on this for the first time. Oh yeah, that's nice. And that wheel is not straight at all. Definitely gotta straighten that out, tighten that up. I like this compression. I'm gonna be excited to try that out. And guys, also remember I'm gonna be dropping a full review video on this bike. This is just gonna be the build video, showing you how to do this and how easy this is. But make sure you subscribe and follow for the full review on this bike. I'm gonna go over everything. Fender. It's a nice fender. These sometimes can get loose when you're riding, so you actually really want to make sure this gets cranked down. To the headlight, only one way, goes in here. I found this works better if you actually put the washer in first, and then the headlight. And then I put the nut on after that. Kind of hard to see what I'm doing here, but I'll show you after. Go screw, gap, washer, headlight, nut. That thing is on there, you'll still be able to move it. Tighten this top screen up. Just kind of get it centered in there. All right, then I'm just gonna straighten this stuff out, but these are all just little screws here. I'm just gonna angle this down and just make sure everything is all in a comfortable position, and then this thing's pretty much good to go. And I only had to adjust this one piece. Everything else was in line. And really, lastly, before I put the battery in, I'm just gonna adjust the pressure. Tire says 20 PSI max inflate right here, so that's what I'm gonna do. Same thing on the back. All right, this thing's definitely not charged yet, but I definitely want to try it. See how this looks. I think that's it right there. You always got to make sure these things are really locked in there. Check it. It says full, right? So we need the actual key now. Hold this in. Wow, color display, that looks awesome. Got the turn signals, headlight. Actually looks pretty bright, and you can angle this wherever you want it, so that's nice. It'll actually stay there. Feels good. I like the compression. I'm excited to try that out. And I like this basket. It's actually a lot of room there. You can put a ton of stuff there. Great for commuting. Good feel so far. Like the way the seat feels. This headlight looks absolutely amazing. We got a ton of storage. We have a nice brake light with turn signals. And then we also get this huge storage bag in the back that goes all the way up and down. So this is gonna be your ultimate commuter bike that looks like a retro ride with this nice tan and brown looking seat. That seat is awesome, very comfortable, and I'm very excited to review this bike. And that right there is the MEL HELOKEEP electric e-bike. All right guys, so thank you for watching. That is gonna be the full process of unboxing and building the MEL HELOKEEP electric bike. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be dropping a full review video where I ride the bike. I'm gonna be going over all the features and then giving you guys my final thoughts. But this one's actually pretty cool and I'm super excited to ride it. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.